Health benefits of drinking lemon water. Hello my friends, I'm happy to have you here to my channel. If you have the intention to improve your health in a natural and effective way, then I am happy to bring to your knowledge one of the most important natural health strategy in the world today. Now in this video I'm going to explain to you the importance of drinking lemon water. Lemons are healthy. Most of us associate lemons and citrus fruits with vitamin C, but that's not all they have to offer. They're low in sugar. According to the USDA National Nutrient Database, lemons contain everything from vitamin B6, vitamin A, vitamin E, folate, niacin, thiamine, riboflavin, and pantothenic acid to minerals like calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. They even contain more potassium than apples or grapes. A lot I will explain, let's keep going. How to prepare lemon water. You will require the following items and ingredients. 1 lemon. 1 large mug / heatproof cup / glass. Warm, filtered water. An easy warm lemon water recipe that you can flavor as you like with these ideas. There are basically 2 ways or methods of adding the lemon juice to the warm water. One way is to simply cut and squeeze the lemon juice out into the glass of warm water and drink. And the other method is to wash, slice the lemon and put the pieces into the warm water and drink. Any one of these 2 methods is very effective to go with. Remember, you can add extra flavor if you like with basil, lavender, mint, grated ginger, honey, turmeric. Again, you are to use warm water and not hot water or boiled water. The difference is that the warm water can easily be drank with waiting for it to cool before. The reason you are not to put the lemon juice into a hot or boiled water is that the hot water will destroy some of the therapeutic properties of lemon. The lemon water is mostly consumed on an empty stomach, that is preferably in the morning, as this helps the lemon water works magic on the body. Now let's talk deep into the importance of drying this amazing health solution. Importance of lemon water to the human body. Point 1. Lemon water helps in digestion. The first importance you can derive from drinking lemon water is that it helps or aids in digestion. I believe you understand digestion. Drinking warm lemon water will make sure that your digestive system functions smoothly. The citric acid present in lemon will keep digestive problems at bay. Lemon juice helps flush out unwanted materials. It encourages the liver to produce bile, which is an acid that is required for digestion. That's important when you consider that a study showed that over 30% of men and women over age 60 had atrophic gastritis, a condition marked by little or no stomach acid. It will interact with the other essential enzymes in your stomach and stimulate the secretion of gastric juices. A daily lemon water habit is an easy way to get your day off on the right foot. I hope you know and remember detoxification. Lemon water is a great detox agent. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning will flush out all the toxins from your system. Lemon is also known to purify your blood, thus keeping your body free from many health disorders. Point 2. Lemon water prevent oxidation. Like all produce, lemons contain phytonutrients, which protect your body against disease. These phytonutrients have powerful antioxidant properties, which prevent cell damage from oxidation, the same mechanism that causes rust. Point 3. Lemon water maintain the pH. It is necessary to maintain the pH levels of your body to make sure your system functions properly. Altered pH levels can mess with your digestive system and even unsettle your blood pressure levels. Don't be surprised that lately people are talking a lot about reducing the body's acidity by eating and drinking alkaline foods. You may be surprised to learn that while lemon juice is acidic outside of the body, its effect is alkalizing after it has been fully metabolized. That means that drinking lemon water in the morning can raise your body's pH, promoting healthy cell function and structure and creating a less hospitable environment for bacteria and viruses. In a nutshell, lemon water makes sure that your body's pH levels stay under control, preventing many diseases and health disorders. Point 4. Lemon water boosts your immune system. Lemon is a treasure trove of essential vitamins and minerals that your body can't do without. It is loaded with vitamins, calcium, magnesium, potassium, citric acid, phosphorus, and many more nutrients that are necessary to keep your body ticking. A glass of lemon water a day can really keep the doctor away. Don't forget that lemons contain vitamin C, also increase white blood cell production. Those white blood cells are the defender cells that attack bacteria and viruses. Vitamin C may also keep existing immune cells healthier and better produce enough of the kind of antibodies that attach to viruses and bacteria to mark them for destruction. Potassium is necessary for nerve-muscle communication, transporting nutrients and waste, and blood pressure regulation. Fruits and vegetables are important sources of potassium. Point 5. Lemon water promotes liver health. Lemon water can also benefit your liver health. Studies have observed that the liver produces more enzymes in the presence of lemon when compared to other food items. Enzymes are essential to stimulate, accelerate, and catalyze various chemical reactions in the human body. Let me make it more clearly here. Chances are that all the foods you have consumed over your lifetime have intoxicated your liver to a great extent. Lemon water ingested in the morning will help cleanse your liver. Lemon juice stimulates the liver to flush out all its toxins, reviving it like never before. Point 6. Lemon water helps prevent kidney stones. Drinking warm lemon water throughout the day will increase your urination rate, which will help you purify your body from toxins. Therefore, toxins are released from your body at a faster rate, which then keeps your urinary tract healthy. Even better, their citric acid content may help prevent kidney stones by making the urine less acidic and giving your body the citrate it needs to break up or flush out small kidney stones. Lemons actually have the highest concentration of citrate of any citrus fruit. Studies have shown that one of the proven benefits of drinking lemon water in the morning is decreased stone formation. Point 7. Lemon water provides antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Lemon is known to possess strong antibacterial properties. Consuming lemon water in the morning will make sure that your body stays free of infections. Lemon contains high amounts of pectin, which can do wonders to your colon health. Lemon is also packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can cure a host of health issues. Drinking lemon water daily will help fight respiratory tract infections to a great extent. It can also help cure sore throats and inflammation of tonsils. Point 8. Lemon water, they are heart healthy. The potassium in lemons may help control blood pressure, but that's not all. The vitamin C you'll get from drinking warm lemon water in the morning may reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke. Point 9. Lemon water may even help respiratory problems. Drinking warm lemon water helps eliminate chest infections and halt those pesky coughs. It's thought to be helpful to people with asthma and allergies too. This may be because the vitamin C in lemon juice boosts the immune system, and the compound limonene also helps the body resist asthma triggers as a result. The antioxidants in lemon juice may help the body in its fight against allergens and irritants. And the antiseptic properties of lemon might help prevent mucus buildup. Point 10. Lemon water helps in weight loss. Lemon water can be greatly effective for those who are trying to shed some pounds. Drinking warm lemon water the first thing in the morning will melt away all your fat like magic. The pectin fiber that is present in lemon keeps your cholesterol levels under control and also curbs your hunger, preventing you from overeating or snacking. Another reason is that research study found that polyphenol in lemon juice have the power to suppress body fat accumulation. The same research showed that the same compounds in lemons significantly reduce weight gain, even for those who were overeating. Point 11. Lemons are good for your brain. They're high in potassium, which research shows stimulates brain and nerve function. Let's dig deeper. Just one lemon contains 80 milligrams of this essential mineral, which is also important for basic cell and muscle functions and maintaining your body's fluid balance. Point 12. Lemon water helps clear skin. The vitamin C in warm lemon water helps decrease wrinkles and blemishes by helping purge toxins from the blood. In addition to drinking it, lemon water can actually be applied directly to scars to help. You'll have beautiful, glowing skin in no time as the nutrients found in lemon nourish your skin from the inside out and the outside in. Dear friends, I hope I have served you well today. Kindly subscribe to my channel, share this video, give us your thought in the comment section, and like it as well. Thanks a lot.